Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. Have you got any guidebooks for London?
Yes, they're over there.
Oh yes, I see. Thanks. I'll have this one, please. How much is this map?
This one is £5.95.
OK, I'll have the map too.
Sure.
And can I have 4 stamps for Europe, please?
I'm sorry, we don't sell stamps for Europe.
No problem.
Anything else?
No, that's all, thanks.
Right, that's £19.45, please.
Here you are.
Would you like a bag?
No, thanks, I've got one.
OK, here's your change and your receipt.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Do you need any help?
Oh, yes, please. How much are these lamps?
The big ones are £25 and the small ones are £17.50.
OK, I'll have this one, please.
Of course. Would you like anything else?
Yes. Do you sell suitcases?
Yes, we do. They're on the second floor.
OK, I'll buy this first.
Right. Right, that's £17.50, please.
Thanks.
Your PIN number, please. OK, here you are. Your receipt's in the bag.
Great. Thanks for your help. Bye.
Goodbye.